Hello Mangoes, welcome to day 18 of the 21 Days of Bloom Pilates to Blend Trust. Today's workout will give your body and soul a little love, and if you feel intense at work or in life lately, then this workout will help you to unwind, to soothe your soul, and also to de-stress. So if you're ready, just roll out your mat and let's start together. Alright, as usual, let's sit tall in comfortable position and hands on your knees, lengthen the spine, take a deep inhalation. Exhale deeply through your mouth. One more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Now round your spine, chin to chest, and stay here for a second. So inhale and exhale. And then lengthen your spine, take a deep inhalation again. And exhale deeply through your mouth. And round your spine. You're gonna do this combination for a couple times. Lengthen. And round. And lengthen the spine. Close the eyes. Take a deep inhalation. Relax all the tension on your forehead, your cheek, your chin, your shoulders, and go all the way down. Relax your hips and your legs. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply. And open your eyes when you're ready. Now arms to the side. Now rotate your torso to one side and come back to the other side and back to the center. Couple more times with your own breath. Inhale and exhale. And last one, to the opposite side and back to the center. Now I'm going to allow yourself to lengthen one leg to the side and hand on hand to the front of your chest. Slowly inhale, rotate your whole and use your elbow and your shoulder to lead the movement. So move your elbow towards the knee and then come back. So just as far as you can, you don't have to touch the elbow to the knee or your leg. Just to the point that you feel good. Feel the side of your body is lengthening. And one more time, exhale. And inhale, bring it back to the opposite side. So again, point your elbow towards the knee and then move, come back. In 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your hands down to the mat. Now keep your feet toward the center. Hand on hand to the front. You can move your feet a little bit further away if it's more comfortable with your hips. Rotate your torso to one side. Open your torso, your arms to the back, and then bring it back to the opposite side. Open and back to the center. Couple more times here. Inhale and exhale. To the other side. Last one. And slowly bring it back to the center. Shake your hips, take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and exhale deeply. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Now arch your back, and round your spine, and arch your back again, and round your spine, and back to the center. Come to the beginning of the mat. I really want to do this move today and I cannot wait to. Normally I'm gonna do this at the end, but today I just feel like let's just do this together now. So round your spine, rolling like a ball. Hug your hand to the shins and then shoulders relax. Pull the belly button all the way in, extend the ankle. Always go down to your shoulder, not the head. So inhale. Come back, keep the balance. Lengthen the spine, sit tall. And then round your spine, go down again. And bring it back, lengthen. I'm going to try to do 3 more times with your own breath. 2, And last one. And slowly bring your feet down. Come to the beginning of the mat. Lift your legs up. Lengthen your legs. And lengthen your opposite leg. Extend the ankle. Now, I wanted to allow yourself to try to go with lengthening leg, but if you're a beginner, bend your knees to make it easier. So now inhale, lengthen, and your opposite leg. Use your core, not the hands to pull so much, but your hands here to keep the balance. And pull the belly button in, relax your shoulders, so engage your abs. Now I wanted to bend one knee and switch. Engage your abs as much as possible. So a couple more times with your own breath. If you feel comfortable, you can even let go of the hand. So listen to your body. Just use your hand here to it. Very good. And last one. To the other side and slowly bend your knees, hug your knees to your chest. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose. And exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, and now I want you to allow yourself to lean backward again. And this time just try to open your chest. Lift one leg up, flex the ankle, push away, come back. Gently put it here. Awesome. In 3, 2, and last one. To the opposite side. Flex the ankle, push, come back, and 4, 3, 2, and last one is slowly bend your knee down, hug your knees to your chest, take a deep breath, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Good. And now I want you to allow yourself to round your spine, bend your knees, and walk your hands slowly towards the hips. Allow yourself to lie halfway down. And then when you're ready, come back, use your hand to support, but mostly use your core to roll up. Sit tall. You can make it more challenging by lengthening your legs, arms to the front, round the spine, go all the way down. And then inhale, exhale, chin the chest and use the core to sit up. Flex your spine, move forward, and then come back, lengthen, and then round. And exhale, chin the chest. Use the abs to go up, lengthening and round forward. Bring it back. Awesome. I'm gonna try to do 3 more times with your breath. Flex forward, lengthen and round. Exhale, inhale and exhale. Last one. And slowly bring your hands down, gently shake your hips, take a deep breath, shake your legs, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, for the next movement, lean on one side, and rest your head down on your arm, the other hand in front of your chest. Now lift your top leg just above the hips, inhale and start to draw a flower with your legs. So I'm going to try to do 10 times with your own breath. 9, 8, 7, 6, keep breathing. 5, 4, and 3, 2, and last one. Awesome. Lift your leg as high as you can. And slowly bring your leg down just above the hips. Inhale, lift, and exhale down. And 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4. Keep breathing. 3, 2 more times. Last one. And slowly bring your leg down, knees bent. Extend the ankle, open your knee up. Lift your leg higher and then bring it down, toes touch. 10 times. 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5, 4, 3. Relax your shoulders. And last one. And slowly close the knees. Good. Lift your heels up. Now lift your top leg up so your top leg parallel to the bottom one, and then come back 10 times. 8, 7, 6, squeeze your inner thighs, and 5, 4, amazing, 3, 2, and last one, lift and down, bring your feet down, take a deep inhalation again, and exhale deeply. Now we're going to go to the opposite side. Good. So rest your head down on your arm and lengthen both legs. Now lift your top leg just above the hips and start to draw a flower here with your toes. And 8, 7, keep breathing, stabilize the hips. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. And slowly bring your leg down and lift again as high as you can, and just down on top of the hips. So 10 times with your own breath. Press your bottom leg down. And 4, 3, 2, and last one. Alright, and now slowly bring your leg down. Now the next movement, knees bend. Open your knee as wide as you can. Lift and toes touch 10 times. Two, and last one, lift and down. And now lift your heels up. Try to lift the top leg. Keep your leg parallel to the bottom one. 10, 9, extend the ankle. 8, 7, keep breathing. 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one, lift and down. Heels down, take a deep inhalation again, and exhale deeply through your mouth. That's awesome. Gently shake your hips, give a little massage if you need to, and allow yourself to sit along the mat. Knees bend, lengthen the spine, shake your hips gently, take a deep inhalation, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Now bring your hand on hand to the front of your chest. Rotate your torso. Come back to the other side and back to the center. 5 more times each side. A little cool down before we complete the workout. 3, and 2, and last one. And slowly bring it back to the center. Hands down, shake your hips. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Bend your knees and flex forward, or just keep your feet a little bit further away if it's more comfortable for you. Now stay here for a little bit longer, and when you're ready, slowly bring your torso back to the center. Walk your hands to one side and to the opposite side. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Cross your legs, take a deep inhalation, and exhale deeply. And one more deep breath, and exhale deeply. Gently shake your hips, rotate your shoulders, and then reverse. And rotate your head, and then reverse. Back to the center. Bring your head to one side. Try to press your opposite shoulders down and to the opposite side. And back to the center. Rotate your head to one side, to the other side. Bring it back to the center. Move your head forward like a turtleneck, and backward, and forward, and backward, double chin. and back to the center. Gently shake your hips. Take a deep inhalation and exhale deeply through your mouth. And one more deep breath. And exhale deeply. Open your eyes when you're ready. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye bye.